So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another guitar lesson video. This time someone has commented on one of my guitar video which I have recorded 1 year back to provide a guitar tabs for a song, a Marathi song which is called Movie from Natrang. So it is basically a theme music for the movie Natrang, and here I am making the guitar tab lesson for it. So stay tuned for it. So this is how the tune is. So let me play for you once, then we will go ahead with the guitar lesson. So guys, this is pretty simple tune and easy to adopt. So we will just begin with the lesson. So while we begin with the theme, you just need to play the 9th fret, 3rd string, and then 8th fret 2nd string, and then the 7th fret 1st string. So the flow will go like this. So in the first flow, you just need to press the 8th fret and the 7th fret 9th fret and the 7th fret only once, but while coming back to the 7th fret you just need to strike it thrice. Okay, so let us take a pause here and we will again play the same. Okay, post these 3 strike, you just again need to strike it once with a little pause. Okay, like this. So what I am doing, like post the 3 strike, I am again pressing the 7th fret 1st string and moving on to the 8th and then 9, and then back to the 8th fret 1st string only, and then I am pressing the 10th fret 2nd string and again coming back to the 7th fret 2nd string. So to complete this flow, it will sound like this. Easy. After this, you just need to whenever we are finishing the 7th fret 2nd string, the next portion will be the 8th fret 2nd string, and then we are going back to the 1st fret 7th fret 1st string. Okay, so we are finishing here and we are starting from 8th fret 2nd string and then coming back to the 7th fret 1st string. Next we are going to 8, 9 and 10, each string ahead. Okay, so 8th fret we are going to the 2nd, 9th fret we are going to the 3rd string, and the 10th fret we are going to the 4th string. So like this I will play again the second part. Then coming back to post this, coming back to the 8th fret 3rd string, and then 9th fret 3rd string only, striking it thrice. Simple. This is the full first part. So I will play it slowly for you. Just watch carefully and repeat the steps. So moving ahead with the second part of this theme, we are again starting from the 9th fret 3rd string. So this how it will sound. So what I am doing here, I am plucking the 9th fret 3rd string once, then 7th fret 2nd string once, then 9th fret 3rd string thrice, then taking a pause and again striking the 9th fret 2nd string, then coming back to the 7th fret 1st string, then going back to the 10th fret 2nd string, then 8th fret 2nd string, then 7th fret 2nd string, and then finishing at the 8th fret 2nd string and finishing at 9th fret 3rd string. Okay, so how it will sound? So again I will show you slowly how the second part of the theme goes. 9th fret 3rd string, 7th fret 2nd string, 9th fret 2nd string, then thrice, and then taking a pause and plucking it again once, then coming back to the 7th fret 1st string, then going back at the 10th fret 2nd string, then coming back to 8th fret 2nd string, then again pressing the 7th fret 2nd string twice this time, then going to 8th fret 2nd string and then plucking the twice 9th fret 3rd string, then 10th fret 4th string, then coming back to the 8th fret 3rd string and finishing at the 9th fret 3rd string. Pretty simple. So I will play the second part once again, just watch closely. Okay, so whole part I will play again once to watch you closely. I will play it slowly, just take a note of it. So this is it, guys. This is with the lesson. If you like this video and if you find this video is able to understand the tabs of this Nataram theme, then please hit the like button. And if you have any query, if you have any request, please comment down below. I will try to address this. Thanks for watching.